Since Clark County moved into the high-risk range for COVID activity over a month ago, cases have continued to climb. Over the last 4 weeks, Clark County has seen an average of 288 cases per week. Currently, 240 are considered active. The largest group impacted continues to be those in their 20s and 30s. Clark County Health says the most likely source of exposure is a household member bringing the virus home. In Ridgefield, A Lene Casino has seen 9 employees test positive over the last month. The casino is using security footage to find all the people those employees were in contact with. Area hospitals are also planning on a surge in cases. At Peace Health Southwest, the hospital says 20 of their 23 beds set aside for COVID patients are filled right now. Peace Health Chief Medical Officer Lawrence Neville says the amount of patients they have in the hospital
has risen essentially to the peak that it was earlier on in the pandemic.
The hospital says, should they need to, could add more beds dedicated to COVID patients. All this as 9 districts recently announced that kindergartners would begin in-person learning in small groups. During Wednesday's county health meeting, Clark County Public Health Director Dr. Alan Melnick addressed this.
We believe they can do this safely. There is data, emerging data, that young children are less likely to transmit the virus to others.
And for the first time in 7 months, playgrounds here in Clark County are finally open. They're just asking that your children wear a mask, practice that 6 feet of physical distancing, and wash your hands before and after using the playgrounds. In Vancouver, I'm Devin Haskins, KGW News.